He leaves you hanging. You want more. You're curious. You want more. Alam mo yan na nga ba eh. Yan na nga ba, you're hooked, diba?
At kailangan mag-guest tayo ulit sa next nilang episode kasi kailangan natin basagin si Justin. Hindi ako papayag na ganito.
Ang galing kasi it works.
Yeah, hindi pa dito nagtatapos yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines. The mental assassin, Justin Binion!
Pure amazement ang reaction ng Scouts sa past 2 performances ng ating defending champion. Now, will he continue to boggle the minds of our new set of Scouts? Well, to see is to believe. Here is our 2-week defending champion, Justin the Mental Assassin.
Malaking tulong talaga ang pagme-mentalism sa buhay ko at sa aking pamilya dahil for 15 years ito ang naging trabaho ko. Masaya rin naman ako na maraming taong natutulungan tayo sa pamamagitan ng aking talento. Ngayong panahon ng pandemic, malaki ang naging tulong sa akin ng talent ko or ng mentalism dahil hindi ko akalain na kaya pala siyang gawing online, kaya pala rin siyang gawin virtually. Kahit nung unang month or week ng pandemic, kinabahan ako pero nakagawa kami ng paraan para kumita pa din gamit itong talent ko. Hindi ko palalampasin ang pagkakataon na to para ma-impress palalo ang mga scouts natin. So tataasan pa natin yung level.
Let's start with Miss Jelly. Gusto ko lang po malaman, Miss Jelly, ano pong gagawin ninyo kung manalo kayo sa loto?
Ipunin ko lahat and then I'll just bring it to my family sa Canada and then we'll probably do something together.
Sir Ian, kayo po, ano pong gagawin ninyo pag nanalo po kayo sa loto?
Ako, isisikreto ko, hindi ko sasabihin kahit kanino na nanalo ko. Kasi mauubos lang yan, kakabalato mo sa mga kaibigan mo eh.
Tama po, no, nakaka-relate po ako dyan. Feeling ko yun din po yung gagawin ko. And how about you po, Miss Alessandra? Ano pong gagawin ninyo pag nanalo po kayo sa loto?
Ay, magtatago na ako, no? Excuse me. Yun nga, wala akong pera. Kung utangan ako, kala mo may patago. Paano na lang pag nanalo ako sa loto? I will change my face, I will change my name, and I will change the country.
Wow! Nice. So, ito, since napag-usapan na natin yung loto, no? Let's maybe make an imaginary loto parang combination. Okay, so let's start po with Miss Jelly. So please, banggit po kayo ng dalawang number.
25.
25? And?
Sige, 20.
20. Sige po, 20. Sir Ian, 2 numbers din po for loto.
Ako, 47.
Alright, 47 and?
7.
7, alright. Miss Alessandra, 2 digits po.
36.
36.
And 49.
And 49.
49, yeah.
This act is dedicated to my dad because he died a couple of months ago.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
So mula nung bata ako, nagtataya siya ng loto. Ngayon, kaya dedicated to sa tatay ko. Nakita ko sa bahay namin yung wallet niya. And yung laman ng wallet niya, merong nakasingit palagi doon na loto ticket katulad nito.
Ngayon, nalapit ko po sa inyo. I'm sure naaalala po ninyo yung numbers ninyo. Sir Ryan, can you please read out to us kung ano po
yung first line ng mga ng numbers na nandiyan.
06, 20,
20,
25,
36,
47, and 48.
49.
49, yes, 49.
Yeah, 49, yan!
Yes, you got almost everything. Kulang lang ako ng isa, 06. It should be 7. Yun po yata yung sinabi ni Sir Ian, pero I am off by 1. Well, it's okay, kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, ticket ito ng tatay ko, hindi ko ticket.
Seryoso ka?
Yes po, seryoso ako.
Anong date? Gusto namin makita.
August 23 something.
Oh. Kung gusto niyo po ba makita yung likod? Yan, oh. Numbers ito ng tatay ko, hindi ko number to. Pero meron akong sarili kong number. Alam niyo kung saan ko linagay yung number ko? Nakikita niyo? 25, 47, 36, 20, 07 and 49. Thank you very, very much. That was my numbers and thank you sa tatay ko because this is for him. But, di pa tayo dyan nagtatapos. Dahil naalala nyo yung mga sinabi ninyong gusto ninyong gawin pag nanalo kayo sa loto. Di ba sabi ko interesting kasi yun din yung mga gusto kong gawin. Kasi meron din akong sinulat kanina pa dito sa baba. Help, secret, share, and save. Does those make sense? Huh? Si Miss Jelly wants to help her family. Si Sir Ian, secret lang, ayaw sabihin. Sabi ko, ako din, gusto ko din isikreto to. And gusto ko isikret ni Miss Alessandra. And once again, thank you very, very much for doing this with me. I am Justin Piñon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
What do you think of Justin's talent?
Ako, I think it's very effective kasi nga kung ang intention niya is to trick you, or I mean using whatever whether it's an actual illusion or yun nga, yung mental tricks. Ang galing kasi it works. Kasi ilang minutes na hanggang ngayon nag-iisip pa rin tayo kung paano ginawa.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
I really appreciate that.
He leaves you hanging. You want more. You're curious. You want more. Alam mo yan na nga ba eh. Yan na nga ba eh. You're hooked, di ba?
Yan na nga ba?
Yan na nga ba Ayoko na to.
Kailangan natin siyang panalunin at kailangan mag-guest tayo ulit sa next nilang episode kasi kailangan natin basagin si Justin. Hindi ako papayag na ganito ako.
So pakiramdam mo, parang kang nauto.
Wow,
parang
man, at least you
niloko
can
ka, no?
control me.
Wow.
Really now?
hindi nyo ba ginustong parang next week pag nandito tayo ulit, magtakip tayo ng aluminum foil sa ulo para hindi na tayo
Wala, gusto ako na helmet.
Subukan natin. Basta, i-promise nyo, i-guess nyo kami ulit kasi I gotta figure this out.
Gotta talk about this.
Yeah.
Hindi pa dito nagtatapos yan.
Thank you very much, Talent Scouts. Now, the big question is, will the mental assassin be shooting for his third win, or did our weekly winner prove to be the better performer? Scouts, please cast your votes now. And now, the Scouts have just made their final decision. Will Justin, the mental assassin, clinch his third win? Or were our Scouts more impressed with the ring's exhibition of Luris, the flow artist? Good luck to both of you, gentlemen. Ang ating champion para sa gabing ito ay walang iba kundi si Justin, the mental assassin!
Daddy, for you. Thank you very, very much.
Congratulations, Justin. You just won another 50,000 pesos for a 3-week total of 150,000 pesos. And, well, you seem to be on a roll. And we can't wait to see what you will do for us next week. And, of course, Talent Scouts, maraming salamat for joining us tonight. And I hope you guys had fun.
Yes, we did. Maraming salamat.
Mga kapatid, gusto nyo bang sumali at magka-chance manalo ng 50,000 pesos? Well, just visit and like the Bangon Talentadong Pinoy Facebook page to learn how to join.